Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on calculating simple interest in Microsoft Excel. The same has been explained in this article on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link in the description section. Calculating simple interest is an excellent method to judge your potential savings in advance, and the formula is also very simple. Simple interest is equal to the principal amount into the rate of interest per year into time period, which is number of years. So the formula for simple interest is equal to cell with the principal value into cell with the rate of interest into cell with time periods. The formula has been mentioned on this web page. We would be sharing the link in the description. Simply copy it to the cell in which you need the simple interest. In this example, the principal amounts are given in column A, rate of interests in column B, and time period in column C, starting from row 3. So we have the simple interest in cell D3. I will replace cell with principal value with A3, cell with rate of interest with D3, and cell with time period with C3. When I hit enter, I get the simple interest in cell D3. Now I can use the fill function to pull this formula down across the range of cells. Click back on the cell with the formula. You would notice this little dot at the right bottom corner of the selected cell. Hover your mouse over it, click on it, and without releasing the click, pull the formula down to the last cell. Isn't this easy? Yes, seemingly, but there's a catch. The rate of interest needs to be written such that you mark the percentage along with it. Otherwise, if you simply write 5 and click outside, it would take it as 500%, especially if this percentage formula is selected. So the rate of interest is always given as a number of the percentage. Write it accordingly. Isn't this simple? If you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.